Our cats like to drink the fish water. They don't even know a fish is in there. By the way, Carl is doing great. See? We moved him in this bowl. And he's much happier, and he comes up for his food actually, because I'm starting to feed him. Like, every morning at the same time. Sticky. Yeah. Oh, now Sticky's realizing that there's a fish. So far, they've started to realize, but they haven't tried to catch the fish. They just like drinking the water, though. They like fish water. And so every time it gets low, I have to fill up the water. And I need to fill it up some more. And now he tries to grab it on the outside, but he's clueless. We're not worried.
You're watching